Hello everyone, I am here with Destash number 12. This one, as always, is a big fatty. Oh my gosh, I just ripped that right out of there. Well, here's your first item. Comes with a bunch of these little pearls. There's two different ones in here. They're little sparkly white ones and some gold ones. I don't know how many yards it is of each, but there's a bunch of those. Let me pull this out. And there is this stamp set here that just has a whole bunch of different. That one says the Queen of Everything. That's what that one says. Then there's a little bee there. And this one says hello. That's a little coffee pot. This one says something in French. I don't know. But there's all of these. Some of them I have used well, and some of them I have not used at all. So yeah, there's a bunch of those. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This thing's loaded. There is this little leather crafting kit thing. I guess it looks like that when you're done. Everything's in there, brand new. There are some more of the old time cooking recipes and some flashcards. Bunch of handful of each one of those. There are these close to my heart stamp kits. Get that out of the way so you can see it. I've never even used this one. And there is this one, and I have not used it either. I don't think I did. This one for some reason looks familiar. No, never used. So these are both like brand new. Then there's this stamp kit. I have used these a couple times. I think like twice or something. And then there's this one. Oh, these lights are crazy. You can see how much I paid for them. I got them at Tuesday mornings. Yeah, there's just a bunch of different ladies. And this one comes with one of my journals. It is one of my Halloween journals, and I will link the video to this below if you want to check it out. I'll thumb through it really fast for you. But I've had these up for sale quite often, and yeah, I just want to get them out so I don't have to store them any longer. So yeah, it's gonna come with one of those. I love that. I love that TN. It feels awesome. A big old paper clip. A handful of these two different ones. These little envelopes. A bunch of different pretty napkins. Here's some bigger ones, which are gorgeous. Handful of those, and a little bit of these. Amazing for decoupaging. Here's a little baggie of, get that off me, of stickers here. I think these ones came from the Dollar Tree, I believe, and these as well. Oops, that one fell off. There's this one. I used a couple of these. And there's these stickers, which I think came from the Dollar Tree. These ones did not. Cute little flowers though. And then there's two different ones of these Anna Griffin flower 3D. They're 3D-ish looking flowers, stickers. There's two of those. There's these little pretties. And a little piece of cute bling. that is what's in this little sleeve of stickers here. Okay, this one's going to be a hot mess. There are some of these plastic little rings in here for crafting. I have used these in many different ways. There's also some on the bottom, some seed beads, some clear seed beads in there. Sample those. There is a packet of these. 8 of those little cute things. Oh, here's another one of these. This is a purse type one. I think I got these at a garage sale, I believe. Well, I know I did, but I don't remember if I did or somebody else got it for me. I don't remember. One of these little cutie potatoes. And this has a bunch of different, there's a bunch of different seeds and or beads in that one. Paula, I did it backwards. See, that's why I gotta get rid of this thing. This thing does not like me. There's those pink ones. There's some flat back pearls and a couple different beads in there. This thing hates me. Some more flat back pearls. And some pretty, these are glass beads, I believe, in here. I like those. Very cute. Oh my gosh, I know this isn't on here right. I'm going to set this right here. I don't want to spill it. And I bought this and couldn't figure out how to make it work. So this is pretty much brand new. I got this off eBay. I got two of them actually, and this one wasn't opened, but I opened one and couldn't figure out how to work it, so maybe I did open this one. I don't know, but everything's in there. There's that. 12 pieces of metal. These are metal candy canes. I got a whole bunch of those. And some super tiny seed beads. I got a bunch of, my neighbor brought over a whole bunch from a garage sale. There's a bunch of tiny, teeny, tiny little red seed beads. These are good for making shakers and stuff. Oh, here's some more of those candy canes. And just a bunch of random, there ain't nothing in that. I used it. A bunch of random little jewelry making things. Some of these little seeds. Some leaves in there. A bunch of random jewelry bits in here and some flowers. These little flowers are super cute. I've used a lot of those. Yeah, just a whole bag full of goodies in there. Some more seed beads, some different color of red. I have a whole bunch of seed beads. Then here's some, looks like Halloween colors. Some blue. A little clipboard magnet with paper on it. Some gauze for layering. You can coffee dye this up. That's what I used to use. A Stampin' Up! Stamp pad. This one is Midnight Muss or something. They have the weirdest names. Something spilled in there. Now they're everywhere. And these two, they're brand new, never used. Well, I tried to use this one once. I can't say I never used it because I did open it and try to use it once, and I made a hot mess of myself. So, yeah. I just closed it back up. See, I already got it on me. Oh my gosh. This one is black. Some old vintage buttons. Some more little whatnots. Some buttons and things in there. A little booklet. Oh, okay. These I got at a garage sale. I never used them, so I thought I would pass them along. These little things are for like, these come off. See how that is? You can switch them out for inking and all sorts of different projects. And here are some replaceable pads for them. All three of these have their own little replaceable pads. And I never did get around to using them, so there they are. Some more old buttons. A bunch of different buttons in here. Some reinforcer labels thingies. You know those things. Whole box of those. And I think this is the culprit. A big old bag of sequins. Some black eyes I've never used. Oh, it was the red one. And these are some stickers and a little stapler. And this is the culprit right here. Let's see. It's not open. Well, I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to have to dump this out into something, but there's a bunch of red seed beads in there. Oh, and this is 10. Oh. Anywho, yeah, this is kit 12, and I will leave my Facebook below if you are interested, and you can contact me on there. Each one of my kits are $40. That includes the price of the shipping, and I will get it right out to you if you would like. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.